Hey anglers, my name is AJ, I'm a multi-species angler, and today I'll tell you about the most common mistakes when using deeper sonar. So one of the most common mistakes when using deeper sonar is using the wrong attachment point. So as you've seen, deeper sonar has 3 attachment points, one on the bottom, one in the middle, and one on top. When to use which? I'll show you right now. So when you're casting your sonar from the shore and you're at the same level as water, make sure to use the bottom attachment point, and when you're reeling the sonar in, keep your rod tip as close to the water surface as possible. So the whole idea is to keep your sonar always scanning straight down and not let it tilt on either side. A tilting sonar will produce false readings of depth and also will make the sonar much harder to read. So if you're casting your sonar from a higher bank or a pier, make sure to use the middle attachment point. Same logic applies here as well. Keep your sonar scanning straight down and make sure it doesn't tilt, and you'll get the best readings possible. Also, make sure to keep your retrieve speed slow and steady so the sonar doesn't go underwater and bounces back up, creating wavy images of bottom. So if you have a deeper sonar that has a GPS unit, make sure you're using the bathymetric mapping option as well. A lot of users simply grab the standard mode and just keep on scanning, but what you're missing out is actually making a depth map for yourself. You'll be able to use it not just when you're fishing, you'll be able to review it so many more times after you're fishing and get yourself prepared for the next sessions too. So a lot of anglers simply cast their sonar out without waiting for the sonar to pick up the GPS location, which ends up in not very accurate maps. How to avoid it? Simply put your sonar in the water near the margin and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes before you're casting out, and you'll get much better accuracy. So make sure that you're avoiding these mistakes, getting yourself best quality scans and maps, which will lead you to big fish. Tight lines.